Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go quickly through the actual website, just to be able to show how the video should look like. So basically, start with the home page, and you talk that you say that this is Anushka from Team Expander, which is part of the D-site project, just following the script, and then you're literally gonna quote this text once again. So you can say that this is the simplest free recruitment software which will facilitate your hiring process. And then you explain about the register process. Okay, and then you can either sign up with your Facebook, or you can literally fill in so you can show how the actual process works, or you can click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you just log into the system. Just log into the system, and then the first thing you want to start and do, explain how the actual job board works. So basically, you explain about different options, how you can turn off and turn on different possibilities, how they're going to get assigned over here. Then you want to go into the web designer's position. If you go into the web designer's position, then what's going to happen is you're going to get information about applicants. You're going to see information about me, and that's good because what I've done is I've completed this, so you can see information about the different type of forms that we have pre-filled before that. And then you can go to the resume, and you can show the download button, which actually works right now. And then you would be able to explain the communication process, which will show the details and how we can use the actual templates. For example, so I can just send that, and then you want to go through the notes and explain that the notes are in between the teams, and you can create different notes and just like that. And what's very important is to mention that the notes can be shared in between the team members. Okay, so then once you're done with this, and once you explain how the whole thing operates, go back on jobs, and you show them how easily they can change a specific job if they want to. Alright, so you go through the actual web design process, the location, and description, and so on and so forth. There's no need to be going into the job creation process because it's going to be exactly the same as the one for editing. So you can just quickly go through that. You click next. You can explain that those fields are predefined, and then you can explain everything else about those fields over here, and that people can actually create them by going to the actual forms. So once you get to this page, what you do is you finish that and you just go on forms. Within the forms, you explain that they can build as many forms as they want, including my sample form, and you can simply click on the add button to create an additional sample form, and then explain to them that they can build a various number of fields, which can then be just edited. Okay. Once you do that, you go to the communication templates, and you will explain about the communication templates, showing about how to create one, how it takes the automatic names and company names and so on and so forth. Maybe you just put down a few lines over here so you can show them how it operates. Then you go into editing just to show them that they can actually edit. The same way, the templates are not constant, they can be changed a limitless amount of times. Okay, and then you go and you simply tell them that those are the account settings without having to go into the account settings in general. If you go into the user section, you can tell them that once they register, they can build a limitless amount of users, as many as they need, and that creating a user is very easy, and basically there's nothing strange about that, and just different roles over here. And this is the whole thing you need to do. Alright, so I'm just gonna upload the video now and send it over to you.